Alright guys, so today we got some leftover Popeyes biscuits. Been sitting in my fridge for like 2 weeks. I mean, they're still good. Just gotta toast them back up. We're gonna be making some sausage gravy with them. We got these beef sausages. I was just gonna chop it up, throw it in the skillet, and yeah, let's get to it. And we're gonna cook this till we get a nice brown on it. Next, you just want to grab yourself some flour, and we're going to throw this, fortunately. Let that cook down, and then we're going to add some milk. You want to stir. Got a nice little gravy coming through. You just want to let her sit, let her simmer a little bit. Add your milk as necessary. And then we're going to get into the spice cabinet. That thing is just popping right now. You just want to bring her down, let her simmer. Let her simmer. We're going to let that thicken up a little bit. And right here, folks, we're going to add just salt, onion powder, tad bit of that, garlic powder, tad bit of that, black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. Bang. I heard this was a good ingredient to add. Just a splash. Alright, so now we're going to bring the biscuits back to life. You grab your little brush. You're going to paint these suckers in butter. Oh, spilled her. Done spilt the butter. Those girls back in there. Let them get nice and toasty, nice and warm for daddy. Let's check the sausage gravy, son. Go ahead, pull them out. Nice and flaky. Woo, that gravy is everything. Hot. Woo. Oh boy. These mamma jammas are hot, son. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Goodness gracious. Check out those biscuits and gravy. Oh man. Guys, check out the final product. I'm just gonna eat like 2 of these, but they're about to be so good. Oh, they're so hot. This is like fresh off the stove. Dude, that's just like regular sausage, like bratwurst. Great brunch. you know, this will get you down through there. You can eat this for dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Oh man, well, I just ate 2 of them. I'm full. They were so good. Tell me how you guys like this Popeyes biscuit sausage gravy tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in today to my little Popeyes biscuit sausage gravy episode. I just wanted to, use my, I just had some leftover biscuits in the fridge and I was craving sausage gravy, so it's like, why not put 2 and 2 together? The best biscuits in the world with some bomb sausage gravy. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more cooking tutorials. If you guys got any ideas for me, let me know. If you guys want me to make any dishes or anything like that. I made some Naruto ramen in my last video. Came out pretty bomb too. If you guys want to go check that out, it's also in my channel. So yeah, appreciate the view, guys.